And good afternoon. This is Eric Tallman with you today. Uh, and today our coverage is on the weather and traffic, etc. We have a lot of stuff that we're covering today, so let's take one thing at a time here. Okay, so we are going to be impacted by a snow system. We're going to talk about that in just a couple of minutes, but we just want to let you know that we are going to have snow squalls tonight through Tuesday, and then on Wednesday we're going to be getting 1 to 3 inches of snow. So that has got a lot to deal with what we're dealing with right now. So this is the area of concern. This is the greatest travel impact in this metropolitan Detroit area, where we can see the most dangerous road travel. So that is actually, I'm going to say, very high. If you want to know why. Okay, those are just reports and stuff that are coming in. For tonight, the lows are only going to be between 14 to 18 degrees, and we'll have a wind chill around 5 degrees tonight, and then lake effect snow squalls 80%, and then we'll have a trace to 2 inches accumulation across the metro area tonight, and then for Tuesday, highs between 18 to 25 degrees. The wind chills are going to be around 10 degrees, and then lake effect snow squalls 80% to a trace to 2 inches accumulation of snow. So that is going to be a concern, and we do expect that snow to arrive in Metro Detroit tonight. So whatever areas are highlighted in yellow right there, that's going to be some big time issue. So we've got you covered. We have a whole bunch of different breaking stories coming in, so we'll worry about that at a later time. Okay, so what the threat summary in the questions are, there are 3 different questions. Here are the questions: what, when, and where. Those are the 3 questions right here. And I'll tell you what, when, and where. Okay, so the first question is occasional high intensity snow. That is what? That's the activity that we're expecting for tonight. Okay, when? 8 p.m. Monday to 5 p.m. Tuesday, peak intensity from 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Tuesday, and where? I-69 to I-94 corridor, yellow circle. Where you see that yellow circle is where the impacts are mostly going to be in the metro area. We'll keep you posted on that, because we've been following the system very closely, and we'll get to that in a little bit. So the impacts are going to be very fast. Reduce in visibility, rapid snow accumulations on area roads in Metro Detroit, sudden changes in travel conditions, especially on expressways, because we've gotten reports of black ice spinouts all over Metro Detroit this morning, and we've also gotten reports of accidents on freeways. We'll talk about that later on in the newscast. So this is what we have highlights for, and that's our top story, and we'll see you back here in just a little bit. We've got more coming up.